In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your account on GatesFX. Account verification is required so you can fully access the platform, make deposits, withdrawals, and stay compliant with regulations. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and then on the dashboard, you would easily notice that there is like a yellow horizontal notification, especially if your account hasn't been fully verified yet. You can simply click here to see what exactly is missing, or you simply go to the left side panel of your navigation, go to profile and click the some sub verification. What will happen is it will be forwarded here. Okay, so as you can see, you need to click the continue to verify your GatesFX Ltd account. Click that, and number one thing is you need to provide an identity document. If you click the blue button, okay, so we are confirming and agreeing to continue, and it would ask us to select the identity document. Alright, so you need to choose the document type. If you want to continue, you can also do that, but if you wanted to continue on phone, you can do that as well. Especially, I can't use my camera since I am recording this video, but if you do, just click that so you can verify your identity using your mobile device. Alright, now here you can provide the front side and back side of the photos for your identity documents. Alright, again, remember, if you have the ability to make a selfie, you can do that for as long as your camera is open, and make sure you are on a well-lit room. Again, in my case, I am recording this video, so I cannot use my camera, but if you do, just click the continue button. Alright, click that. As you can see, I am using my OBS, so we're gonna skip that and just follow the on-screen instructions. After uploading everything, click the submit button. Your verification status will show as pending. Of course, verification usually takes a few hours to a business days depending on the demand. And of course, you can simply go to the dashboard because you will receive a confirmation via email on the notification. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.